Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 times x plus 2 equals 7 times x minus 5. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 7 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 7 times x from both sides. That gives negative 4 times x plus 2 equals negative 5. The plus 2 keeps 4 times x from standing alone. Subtract 2 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 4 times x equals negative 7. Negative 4 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 4. That gives x equals 1.75. Quick check. Substitute 1.75 for x. Both sides equal 29/4, so the equation balances. So, x equals 1.75.